people, kind of make airs that like there was this, grand Yiddish theater tradition, but, and they claim to know what it was. But the reality is that Yiddish theater, got started in a very small way in the 1860s, and by the 1900s, it, had to kind of radiated out. But there was never monolithic. I mean, there were experimental, expressionistic Yiddish theaters in Europe. When expressionistic theater was popular in Europe in general, there was, the kind of more, what we think of as like the schmaltzy Schund theater. There was, literary theater that was following the trends of like Ibsen and Strindberg, and there was, world plays in Yiddish translation. So Yiddish theater was never like one single thing, and Yiddish theater still isn't one single thing, and it's just going to follow to an extent whatever the theatrical trends in general are. It will incorporate technology the way that other theaters are. It might be amazing to see Spider-Man flying around over a Broadway stage today. When that technology becomes more widely used, you're going to see Chagall's flying fiddlers and things like that. I mean, I'm sure that that'll make its way in at some point. Right now, even the Megillah of Yitzhak Monger is very esoteric in its approach, but but that's postmodern, is that you can tell a story partially through animation, partially through naturalistic staging, partially through modern dance. I mean, that's the trend that it's pulling from.